Okay, Mopar Superbird fans, here we have Gause Garage coming to you from Sunshine State Regional All Mopar Show, Ocala, Florida. And here is a beautiful petty blue 70 Superbird featured and restored by Iron Stable Garage out of Clearwater, Florida. And Chris Brown, the owner, this is one of his productions. And they are known for doing some very, very nice Mopar restorations. And there you have it, folks. Look at this thing. 70 Superbird. U-code 4-cylinder. In rare petty blue. White high bucket seat interior. Oh, yeah. And look at that. It's got a hammer. Pistol grip 4-speed. Standard deluxe steering wheel. Beautiful white interior, goes really good with that petty blue. You can't really ask for a better color combo than that, folks. And especially the way they do their cars. Paint, body, trim, all the fine details are done. All the way down to the jack essentials. And even the spares are raised white letter Goodyear. And there's that jack assembly you always have to have with a Superbird. And see the wing braces? It's what you do. The large white Plymouth letters on the wing. And there is the man right there, Chris Brown, owner of Iron Stable Garage. All right. Hey, beautiful car, my friend.
Yeah, this is just a couple Saturdays of work.
Yep.
Maybe 3.
Yeah, right on. Well, you know what?
Plus 10 years, 17, something like that.
This is the type of work that Chris and his crew do over there at Iron Stable Garage. And you're looking at a phenomenal job here. And look at that, folks. Beautiful workmanship. Very correct. You don't get much better than that, Superbird fans. Feel free to contact Chris Brown at Iron Stable Garage with any questions you have on your restoration. And meanwhile, have a look at that beauty. This is what he does. This is Gause Garage, Sunshine State, All Mopar Regional Car Show. Thank you very much.